Chairman of the Board of Directors International Foundation, Uwe Moratz Halau encontro o Presidente da República José Ramos Horta. Encontro ne realiza e Palácio Presidencial quarta-feira, Loro Lima, Fulan Julho, Tinan Rua Ronolo Recentolo. Foi no encontro, Uwe Moratz, ba jornalista Sira informa, Chairman International Foundation organiza um programa Hanaran, Bright Dialogue com a Badame durante Tinan Ronolo, Nebehahu Halau Iha, Tailândia. Tane, ohin halau encontro o Presidente da República, também o Presidente Rastik Mosai Hanesan apresentador do programa Diálogo Damene Iha, Tailândia.
I'm the chairman of the International Peace Foundation, and we have been organizing a program called Bridges, Dialogues Towards a Culture of Peace, over the last 20 years, starting in Thailand. So His Excellency President Ramos Horta, when he was still Foreign Minister, was one of our speakers in Thailand, very successful, and then we expanded the program to the Philippines, Malaysia, Cambodia, where His Excellency at that time President Ramos Horta was one of the main keynote speakers, together with many other Nobel laureates, but not only in peace but also in physics, chemistry, medicine and economics. And over the last years we have been doing the program then in Vietnam and also in Indonesia, in Laos. Now the next program will be held in Japan together with Thailand to celebrate the 50th anniversary of official relations between Japan and the ASEAN region. So, and as His Excellency President Ramos Horta has been our patron of the International Peace Foundation since more than 20 years, we would, in the year 2024 and 25 and 26, would like to bring this program to Timor-Leste.
No iha programa damene, la escolia det kona badame, mabemos kona ba ciência, hanesan física, química, economia, no seluktan. Tambane, Chairman hakarakuri programa ne mai Timor-Leste, no nebele promove Timor-Leste ba mundo. Reportagem Silviana Kait, Televisão Timor Post.
Janela Informação, bem Horta. Atau tem informação atual dia Clio, que tá haluha. Anehan botão subscribe, like, halo comentário, no faz tudo também mídia social Horta.